Hey guys, maayong adlaw, magandang araw and good day. In today's video, we're going to unbox and review this product that I actually bought last year. I bought this new tool from Shopee. Actually, I actually opened this one to check if the item is really here. And this is the box of the tool. The brand of this tool is TOLSEN. Then actually this one is the cheapest Random Orbital Sander that I actually saw online. The other cheap available one is the Makita, but the problem with the Makita Random Orbital Sander is that there's no adjustment for a speed, unlike this one. This one has the adjustment for the speed up to I think 5 or 3. So this product here is a 280 watt motor with a 125 mm diameter for the sanding pads. Then so we're going to open the box down. So what's inside the box are here. So we have in the box is first the manual for the power tool, and then it also came with these 3 sample or 3 sanding pads. Then here we have the tool itself. So this is the tool. So we're going to get it outside the plastic. So here's the tool. There's the brand TOLSEN. Then here are also the specs. In here, I don't know if you can see it. Then the power button is here, covered with some clear rubber. And here's the speed control here. So it has up to 6 speed. So you can control the speed of this one. So it also has hose for the dust. So this hose in here will collect the dust in here. So it also comes with a dust bag here. So this one you're just going to put it inside and twist here. So the build quality of this product is I think it's really rigid. It's not like the cheap one, though it's cheap, but it's very sturdy. The plastic is very good, and it has some rubber padding on the top, which you're going to hold with 2 hands or even just 1 hand. So it's not that big, it's also not that small. So it's really good product. It's the quality is really I think comparable to the flagship tool brands. So now we're going to do some tests if this product really works perfectly. So I actually haven't used it since I bought this one last year, because I don't have any DIY projects that time. I'm a little bit busy and office works. So for the test, we're going to use this cabinet door that I made. The plywood that I've used in here are very rough. The cut from the circular saw that I converted to a table saw is very rough, and it's not that sharp anymore. So we're going to sand this one now, and we'll see if it works. So I already plugged the tool, and now we're going to put the sanding pads. I'm going to use the 60 grit for this one, because this one is very rough. So first we're going to align the sanding pads with the holes were in here. so that the dust that will be coming out from the wood will be sucked here and then goes in here, and it will go in the bag. So and then we're going to put the dust collector here. Then now we're going to set the speed in number 1 first. We'll see if how really it works, or the speed, the power. So we're going to on this one now. So that's the speed for this one now. Then we'll try it with this wood first. It's not that powerful. It's not really that working, so we're going to adjust into number 2. Now it's getting faster. Now here, it's not that fast, so we're going to try again and put it in number 3. Now we'll see. Not enough, so I'm going to make it faster now. Actually, it's my first time using a Random Orbital Sander, so I don't know how to use this one. I'm just trying it by now. So now we're going to put it in number 4. So actually it's very fast. And I think the number 4 here is really strong, so I don't really need that speed. So I think what I'm going to do is just choose number 3 or number 2. I think 3. So now what I think of this product, actually this product here is really solid. The build quality, the diameter of the sanding pads, the dust collector, and also the speed controller, it's actually really valued for the money. Though it's cheap, but then you were not cheap by the build quality of this one. So, and now how much does it cost? I bought this one online. The price for this one is about 1,600 pesos. Most likely $30 USD. So I think this one is really solid, and I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going to use this for all my DIY projects. So I think that's it, and see you in the next tool review.